Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson. We're back at it with another episode of Nostalgic Snacks from my childhood, but today we're going to be making some homemade Cheez-Its.
This recipe includes sharp cheddar cheese, all-purpose flour, ice cold water, unsalted butter, a little bit of that ocean, and paprika. Alright, in a large bowl, pour in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 4 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese. Please grate it yourself, it will taste a lot better. So,
In this case, don't be lazy.
now pour in 4 tablespoons of cold unsalted butter and make sure you shred it. Then add in half a teaspoon of that ocean and a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Combine until it resembles coarse crumbs. Alright, it's time to add in 2 tablespoons of cold water into the mixture. Add a tablespoon at a time and be sure to not overmix. Now that all the ingredients are combined, gather the dough into the ball, flatten it into a disc, wrap it in plastic, and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes.
A few moments later.
Alright, now that 30 minutes have passed, on a lightly floured surface, roll out the chilled dough into an 8-inch thickness. Then cut the dough into small squares. I'm using an actual Cheez-It so I can make it easier. This is a very random question, but was this anybody else's comfort snack when they were kids? Cause it sure was mine. Every time me and my mom went to the store back in the day, I always begged my mom to buy me Cheez-Its, and those would be gone in less than a week. Once all your squares are made, place them on a prepared baking sheet, poke a hole in the center of each square to get that Cheez-It look, and place them in a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 12 to 15 minutes, then let them cool for 15 to 20 minutes so they can have a firm texture. Oh, and look at these. And just looking at these right now, I feel like I'm going to be spamming these a lot.
Alright, the homemade Cheez-Its are done. I'm going to try it and I won't cap. But first, I got the store-bought. Try the store-bought first. See how it is. Well, you can really tell the difference here. That's for sure. It's alright. I mean, it's just a store-bought Cheez-It. It's pretty much what I grew up with. I grew up eating these. And trust me when I tell you this, but I used to spam these all the time for an after-school snack. I'm just saying. These right here are an addiction. Okay. Now, oh my gosh. A homemade version. I got a good feeling about this. Oh my gosh. Alright. These are a lot better. When it comes to the texture, I kind of like these a little better. But other than that, these are a lot better because 1, I can really taste the cheese. 2, it's healthier. And 3, it has a nice texture. It's not really crunchy, but it's soft and crunchy at the same time. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, this and this. You see, there's a huge difference because when it comes to the store-bought Cheez-Its, it has so many ingredients. It has vegetable oil. It has like a little bit of, what's it called? Sugar. I don't know why. And it even shows it has skim milk chew. Yeah. And even yellow 5. Because that's the reason why the Cheez-Its look like this. When you make Cheez-Its, it's not supposed to look like this. They're supposed to look like this. Because cheese has more of that clear color. Because in this case, these, yep, no more. Yep, I'm better off just making the homemade. That's all I gotta tell you. Because now, if I ever want a snack, I just want to spam these. That's for sure. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.